Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about mass transfer operation 2 unit number 5 adsorption and ion exchange જોઈશું આજે આપણે એના પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે લિક્વિડના એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન બેસિસ પર આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા. તો આજે જોઈશું આપણે એબ્ઝોર્પ્શન ઓપરેશન. So now start this today most important point for a friend is equation basis. The first of all the introduction part. Adsorption is unique in a very diverse nature of the applications part. For example, it is applied to wide variety of processes such as recovery of vapors from dilute mixture with gases and also solute recovery part, and a removal of contaminants from solution and the fractionation of the gas and liquid mixture. Okay, this is the part of this gas liquid operations. Okay, simple technique. The use include both stage wise and continuous stage wise operations. Within each of these catalysts for continuous and semi-continuous operations. Within each of these categories, it is possibilities of to recognize an operations which are exactly analogies to those already discussed is previous. Okay, within each of these categories and applies to recognize operation which are exactly analogies to those already discussed in the previous chapter. To those only one components, fluid mixture, either a gas and liquid, is strongly adsorbed. The separation of the mixture is analogies for a purpose of calculation the gas operations. Okay, added for insoluble phase is adsorbent in this present cases and liquid solvent in the case of absorption. Okay, simply for this is absorption part. When both components of the fluid, either gas or vapor, gas or liquid, are adsorbed strongly, the separation require a fractionation procedure. The operation is then conveniently considered as bring analogies to liquid extraction, where the added insoluble solvent corresponding to the use of solvent in extraction part. By this means many simplification in the treatment become possibilities. Okay, some possibilities for a stage wise operation માં જોઈશું આપણે liquid solution where the soluble to be removed is adsorbed relatively strongly compared with the remainder of the solutions are treated in a batch wise, semi-continuous wise or a continuous operation. And the manners for some analogies to the mixture settler operation. હવે લિક્વિડ એક્સટ્રેક્શન છે એમાં સિમ્પલ જોઈશું આપણે કે બે લિક્વિડ હોય એસિટિક એસિડ અને બેન્ઝીન આપણે એડિંગ ધ સોલન્ટ તરીકે યુઝ કરીશું વોટર તરીકે, બરાબર. તો કોન્ટેક્ટ ફિલ્ટરેશન પાર્ટમાં જોઈશું તો કન્ટિન્યુઅસ કાઉન્ટર કરંટ કેસ્કેડ કેન બી સિમ્યુલેટેડ or actually realized by use of such techniques as a fluidized bed. Okay, then gases are treated for a solute removal or for a fractionation part, usually with the fluidized bed techniques. Some contact of liquid typically process applications included the collections of valuable solute from dilute solution. For example, the adsorption onto the carbon or iodine from brines after liberation of the some elements from its salt by oxidation and the collection of insulation. Dilute solution part 2, the removal of undesirable contaminants from a solution part. Okay, હવે આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા હતા કે સિમ્પલી જે કોન્ટેક્ટ આવે છે ગેસ અને લિક્વિડ ઓપરેશન્સના પાર્ટમાં ધ એક્સ્ટ્રીમલી ફેવરેબલ ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ ફોર અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધ ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુશન ઓફ સોલ્યુટ ટુવર્ડ ધ adsorbent which is frequently possible makes adsorption a powerful tool for the later purpose. and most industrial applications part of a stage-wise techniques fall into this category, a part of adsorptions of colored substance and the substance from the aqueous sugar solution na basis par jaisu to onto the carbon in order to provide a pure product and to assist the crystallization is the typical example for a similarly part of the carbon is sometime used to adsorb. Otherwise, for a part of this water and the greases is adsorbed from the dry cleaning liquids. Okay. The colors of petroleum and vegetable oils are lighted by the treatment which of the clay. For equipment and some method જોઈશું આપણે કે કઈ કઈ મેથડ આપણે હોઈ શકે. ઓલરેડી આપણે પીઓ સેક્શનમાં જોઈ ગયા હતા કે ડેફિનેશન્સ એન્ડ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીયલ એપ્લિકેશન્સ પાર્ટ ફોર એડઝોર્પ્શન, ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ એડઝોર્પ્શન્સ, નેચર ઓફ એડઝોર્પ્શન, commonly use of adsorbent, the single gases and vapors, adsorption hysteresis part, heat of adsorption. Simply જે પોઈન્ટ્સ છે પાર્ટ ઓફ ધીસ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ફોર અ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ પાર્ટ એ જોઈશું આપણે. For a single stage operations. ઓકે, સિંગલ સ્ટેજ અને મલ્ટી સ્ટેજની આપણે મેઇન ઓપરેશન્સ જોવાના છે આ બેઝિસ પર. First of all, the equipment and methods as pointed out in the chapter 1. So each stage require the intimate contact to insoluble phase for a time sufficient for a reasonable approach to equilibrium part, followed by the physical reaction for some phases or a liquid and a gas for interface of the mass transfer operation or a bypass of the operation for a CAI to CAO. Okay, inlet and outlet section માટે the equipment used is applying this principle to adsorption is varied. But depending upon this process applications, હવે એપ્લિકેશન્સ આપણે લાસ્ટ 3 પોઈન્ટ્સ જે જોવાના છે જેમાં એપ્લિકેશન્સ, રેટ ઓફ આયન એક્સચેન્જ અને ઇક્વેશન્સ આવશે બેઝિસ પર જોઈશું. ઓકે, ફોર અ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ઓલ્સો ફોર બેલેન્સિંગ ધી ઇક્વેશન્સ ફોર NaOH gives to Na plus gives to OH minus. Okay, appointed out of this chapter for also used particularly in ion exchange. The equipment is radially adaptable to multi-stage operations by providing additional takes filter as necessary if this operation is to be made continuous, which is sometimes does not required in these processes. Okay, a rotary filter can be substituted for this figure. આ તો સિલેક્ટિવ લિસ્ટ ઓપરેશન. ઓકે, નાવ જોઈશું આપણે સિંગલ સ્ટેજ ઓપરેશન. સિંગલ સ્ટેજ ક્રોસ કરંટ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ઓફ ધ ફ્રેન્ડિજ ઇક્વેશન્સ સિંગલ સ્ટેજ માટે જોઈશું હવે ખાસ. ઇઝ ધ મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ એને GTU એક્ઝામમાં પૂછી શકાય છે વારંવાર. 3 times રિપીટેડ થઈ ગયો છે ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. ધ સ્કેમેટિક ફ્લોશીટ ફોર ધીસ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ ઓપરેશન્સ in either batch or continuous fashion is shown in the upper part of this figure 11.16. This is a simply part of this single stage operations. એમાં જોઈશું આપણે ઇક્વિલિબ્રિયમ કર્વ ફોર ગેસ અને લિક્વિડ સેક્શન માટે જોઈશું. For a part of this slope is this one, operations of line slope minus SS by LS. So what is SS and what is LS આપણે જોઈશું ડિસ્કશનમાં ડિટેલમાં જોઈશું. Okay, this is a simply whole circle diagram for inlet section and outlet section. The schematic flow sheet for this type of operation in either batch or continuous fashion is shown in the upper part of figure 11.6. Here the circle represent all this equipment and the procedure consisting one stage. This operation is essentially analogous to a single stage gas absorption, where the solution to be treated for a corresponding part to a gas and the solid adsorbent to a liquid, since the amount of adsorbent used is ordinarily very small part with respect to the amount of solution are treated since the solute to be removed is adsorbed much more strongly than the other constitute. The present adsorption of later in this section, the part of this graphical system for inlet section and outlet section માટે the now can be ignored. The furthermore adsorbent for this graphical system can be ignored. Furthermore, these applications for adsorbent in an insoluble part, the solution to be treated contains LS mass and unadsorbed substance or solvent, and the adsorbable solute concentration is reduced from the Y0 to Y1. The mass solute per mass solvent, the adsorbent is added to the extent of SS mass adsorbate. Pre-solvent and solute adsorbed, the content increases from x0 to x1 part. Okay, and the mass solute per mass adsorbent, if a fresh adsorbent is used, x0 is equal to 0, and in case of this continuous operation, LS and SS are measured in the terms of the mass per time. Okay, the solute removal in this part, the liquid equal to peak, which is the equations for y0 to y1. એટલે આવશે LS in a multiplied whole bracket y0 minus y1 is equal to SS in a bracket x1 minus x0 is the equation number 1. Write down this equation, this is the most important. On x and y coordinate, this represent a straight line. Which is a straight line? Geographical system માં જે straight line આવી છે, this one is a straight line operating slope. The points of the coordinate x0 and y0 and x1 y1 of slope, the minus SS by LS if the stage is a theoretical plate or equilibrium stage. The influent streams are in equilibrium so that the point line on the equilibrium adsorption is the isotherms. This is shown on the lower portion of a figure 11.16. The equilibrium curve should be that obtaining at the final temperature of this operation. If an insufficient time of the contact is allowed to that equilibrium is not reached, the final liquid and solid concentration part will be corresponding to the point of figure A. Okay, and some applications જોઈ લઈશું. Equationsના પાર્ટમાં applications આવે છે. The use of these equations assume that the amount of liquid mechanically part retained with the solid but not adsorbed after filtration or settling is a negligible part. This is quite satisfactory for most adsorption since the quantity of solid employed is ordinarily very small with respect to that of the liquid treated. If the operation under consideration part is a desorption, and if again the quantity of liquid retained for a part of the mechanically negligible part. Okay, any applications is single stage and applications. Single stage ની aplicationsમાં છે એવા main equations યાદ રાખજો. The Freundlich equations. The Freundlich equations can be applied adsorption for these types, particularly since small adsorbable solute concentration are usually involved. This can be written in the following form. For the concentration unit is used is here. This one equation, y star is equal to mx/n, અને final equilibrium માટે જોઈશું તો this one, x1 is equal to y1 by m raised to 1 by n. Okay, since the adsorbent used ordinarily contains no initial adsorbate and x0 is equal to 0, the substitution in equations 11.4, the yield SS by LS is equal to y0 minus y1 by m raised to 1 by n. Simply part. ધીસ પરમિટ્સ એનાલિટિકલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ. ઓકે, એનાલિટિકલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશનમાં શું આવશે? ઓફ ધ એડઝોર્બન્ટ the solution ratio for a given change in a solution part, concentration y0 to y1, refer to this figure 11.70 where the three typical Flanders-Stee isotherms are shown in the isotherms. Okay, and the conservative curve for this graphical system, and the download for n less than 1 in each cases. So concentration is to be reduced from the y0 to y1 માટે. ઓકે, મેઇન ઇક્વેશન્સ કયો છે તમારે? આ જ કોન્સેપ્ટ યાદ રાખવાના છે. ધીસ વન. તો ફર્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ધ y સ્ટાર ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ mx is to n, x1 is equal to y1 by m is to 1 by n, and ss by ls is equal to y0 minus y1 is divided by y1 by m is to 1 by n. Okay, so thank you so much.